Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dead by Daylight error code 0. The error reads, disconnected from server. You have disconnected from the server because of a failure to validate the host's account through easy anti-cheat. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to ready up in the lobby with friends, but then get disconnected and sent back to the loading menu. According to our research, this error is related to a failure in validating the host's account through easy anti-cheat. In some cases, it may also be affected by network issues or corrupted game files. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your game and then try again. If the error still comes, then restart your router. Simply turn off the router, then wait for a few minutes, and then turn it back on. Once your internet connection is back, try launching the game and check for the error. If the error still persists, then verify the game files. Simply open your game launcher and go to the Dead by Daylight game settings and select the option to verify or repair the game files. After the process is complete, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then switch your internet connection. One user reported that connecting through a hotspot from their phone resolved the issue, while using Wi-Fi caused the error. So try switching networks and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then check if you need to update the game. If any update is available, install it and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.